STEM Minds is a local business right here from York Region, and we are on a mission to inspire the next generation of fearless leaders, game changers, and problem solvers through STEM education. We're so proud to be a partner with St. Elizabeth. Over the last several years, we have run a variety of STEM workshops ranging from coding and robotics to video game design and more. So rather than just merely passively consuming technology, students have a deep understanding of how they can use technology as a tool to make the world a better place.
My name is Lucas Chang, and I'm with Y2 Entrepreneurship Labs. Critical thinking, empathy, innovation, and collaboration are some of the skills that are required to solve our most pressing problems. St. Elizabeth's Smart Start program is fantastic as it gives grade 9 students an early opportunity to hone and practice these skills. In the past, we've facilitated workshops on building a pitch presentation, building a business model, and preparing a financial forecast for the students' project ideas. Y2 Entrepreneurship Labs is proud to be a partner in this program.
Hi, my name is Alessia, and I am one of the very fortunate grade 9 students to be a part of the Smart Start program. During my time in Smart Start, I've expanded my knowledge on a variety of topics, and I've discovered a more open-minded approach to learning. I have even made more friends, and I feel so connected with everyone in Smart Start. I have no doubt that Smart Start is paving the path for my future. We are so fortunate to have the Smart Start program here at our school. We welcome you to St. Elizabeth and hopefully to the Smart Start program.